Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from the cubicle.us. I'm excited to see what's in here. I opened it a little bit because I forgot I was supposed to do an unboxing video. So it's a little bit open, but let's get into it. So to start off, we've got some lube. We've got the 10cc bottle of DNM-37. I wish it was a little more full because as you can see, it's like not there, but whatever. That's cool. It's supposed to make your cube a lot faster, but it makes it a lot smoother also. And then we also have some lubrical silk. I'm excited for this. Wow, this is like, so see how fast the bubble goes? That's kind of like, I don't know how to describe that. And then the DNM is like, there. It's like so much faster. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, the bubble like kind of moves slower. So this is supposed to make your cube a lot smoother. I'm not sure if you can see that. The bubble up there? I don't know. Probably you can't see that. So yeah. But there's some lube, so let's just set that off to the side. The bag, nice little baggie. We have my main thing. The YJ MGC 2x2. The box, 3x3 boxes here. Looks pretty cool. So the 2x2 box is about the same size. Looks about the same except for it's blue. I don't have the top here. Wow, this is like, I'm surprised. They did a really good job mimicking it. I also have some DNM here that's old. But I wanted to get a bigger bottle because that looks cool. And I was testing the silk out. So let's open this 2x2. I'm excited for this because that's like so exciting. Let's see what else is in here. A receipt showing my address, so I'll just cover that up. Yeah, there's a cleaner. Anything else? Oh! They didn't send me with a cubicle business card. That is interesting. They usually do. Okay. Oh well, let's just set this stuff off to the side. It's not necessary. Okay. The YJ MGC 2x2 that I thought I ordered in stickerless. Oh. Okay. So, not great first impressions because I ordered it stickerless, I'm pretty sure. Pamphlet, and extra magnets. They're a lot smaller than the YJ MGC 3x3. See, like, yeah, really small magnets. And then the 2x2. I'm so excited for this. We've got some extra springs and washers, so we'll just set this stuff off to the side. Put that on there this way. There we go. I could guarantee you I started this in stickerless, but whatever. I'm still happy. I don't want to return it because, like, it doesn't really matter. Okay, wow, okay, first turns. Wow, these magnets are noticeable. So I'll be comparing it to the GAN 249, my current main. Yeah, it's a really good cube, but I mean, I was looking for something better, that's why I bought it. So, to start off, this has a, like, soft and wet feel. This has a, wow, very dry, like the MGC 3x3 out of the box. Very loose. This is like surprisingly loose. Okay, looby on the outside a little bit. Magnet strength, oh no, okay. This feels like, I don't have it, but the V-Cube 6, like, just the click with me to turn. I'm not sure if that will continue or if that will go away. Corner cutting. 45. Yeah, maybe not even 45. Blue side can cut 45. Yeah, so, oh, did I just get a corner twist? Initial first impressions on this cube aren't too good, but that's like before setup, you know, so things could change. Yeah, corner twists are easy. It's going to be my main because it's like so much looser than this. I bought this at a competition and I don't have this stuff to set it up. So this is a main already, but very loose. Does it have any lube on it? I'm not sure. It might have lube on it. It might not. Okay. Wow. I'm going to test out my lube here. I think I'll just like put it in. Drop it on there. First lubrical silk. This cube is already really, really smooth, so I'm not sure how silk will help, but I bet it will. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, it's got some lube on the outside. Whoa! What? That's like so fast. Oh my goodness, this is like really, 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 really fast. What? This is insane. Too fast to control. It's like, okay, let me put some DNM in it. Maybe this will smooth it up. If it makes it faster, I'm going to kick myself. Because it's already uncontrollably fast. Oh, lube on my hands. Goody, goody, goody. Not really at all. Okay. Whoa! This is so fast! What do I do? Okay, so it was very dry out of the box. Silk and DNM helped, oh my goodness, helped that dry feeling go away. It still has that VCube 6 feeling, just turning like this. It's easier to turn than VCube 6, obviously, but it's like, yeah, so I don't know. This is like really good. Corner cutting. Can cut 45 now. Oh my goodness. Whoa, okay. Let me get my timer and I'll do a solve. Smooth this stuff out of the way. Don't need to see this anymore. Okay. And scramble. What's this? I don't know. .445. That was pretty good. I mean, like, not fantastic, but wow. I really love this. Main already. Main out of the box. Overall, this cube is very good. Okay, this is the bandage corner, the blue, orange, and white, but all the other corners can twist. So, I think you should buy this, even if you, like, it's so cheap. It's like $10 on the cubicle.us. And it's like really, really good. This is like 17, 18. It's just so much slower and like sluggish, I guess you could say. Yeah, I'm gonna call the scan cube sluggish. Can't believe I'm doing this. I really like it, but this is just like, wow. Okay, so yeah, that's my unboxing. of DNM-37, which makes your cube faster, or it's supposed to. Silk, which actually made my cube faster, and not much smoother, but whatever. And the MGC 2x2, which I thought I already had sticker this, but apparently they gave it to me in stickers, so I can't complain. Hope you enjoyed, and I am out.